Transdev is a global public transport operator with operations all around the world. We provide regular public transport services here in Western Australia. We have the Webfleet units installed on all of our buses. We run about 440 buses and soon to get 2 shiny new electric buses as well. We've had a long-standing relationship with Bridgestone in our tyre provision. With Webfleet, we implemented that in around about 2016. The initial driver behind the Webfleet implementation was actually the ability to track our buses. So in 2016, we needed a way to reliably know where all of our buses are to manage them in the day of operations. Once that system is installed and you realise you have this super rich GPS data set, you then start to think, how can we use this for lots of other operational improvements in your business? And then when you add the telematics data to that, braking, acceleration, hard steering, you start to see, okay, this is not just about tracking buses on a map. There's a lot more we can do with this data to improve our operations, to help our client, and to help our customers. The result that we're most proud of with Webfleet in Transdev is the use of the Webfleet data by our client to fill in the gaps around where buses are and where they are complying or not complying with the contractual requirements. That's actually allowed our client to build a comprehensive system. Webfleet's not just about the front-end web interface. We also get into the data in the background and use this data to help drive business decisions, from strategic decisions at the very top all the way through to our drivers using the OptiDrive dashboards to manage their own performance. It's not just one way that Webfleet helps us. We kind of use that system across our entire business. Fuel consumption is a multi-headed beast that we have to tackle, and Webfleet has helped us through being able to identify buses with extremely high fuel usage through the telematics. It helps us manage our dead running, so running around without passengers uses fuel as well. It's also helped us with managing our driver population and how they can drive to reduce their fuel usage, and it's also helped us manage idling as well. One of the key safety issues in our business is the safety of our customers, and harsh braking often leads to customer injuries. The implementation of the OptiDrive system for our frontline drivers led to a significant reduction in harsh braking, harsh acceleration and steering events. It was quite marked how quickly those events started to decline. Once drivers were being measured and they were able to monitor and manage their own performance, there was an immediate decline in those indicators. Our drivers can go out on the road, do their shift, and by the time they've got back into the depot, they've got full information about their performance. And it's really encouraging to see drivers using the app and constantly trying to improve their performance, which leads to better efficiency for us, it leads to better safety outcomes, it leads for a better experience for their customers, and the drivers seem to enjoy the process of reviewing their own performance and improving. One of the unexpected benefits of the Webfleet system was actually the fault code notifications that come through in the control room for our guys. It wasn't in our mind when we were implementing it, but we are getting fault codes alerted around low coolant levels, low fuel levels, and other warnings that are appearing in the bus. And that's been extremely useful in preventing catastrophic engine failures and other mechanical problems. The best thing about working with Webfleet Australia is local support. They're here, they're in Australia, they're on the end of the phone or in the field when we need them. The product is reliable, and locally we're about to start operation of 18 electric buses in our iconic Perth Cats operation. It's new technology, it's complex, it's going to take time to get it right, and Webfleet have been really good in working with us. They're in the trenches with us, in the field, getting these buses to work, getting it to interface with their Webfleet system, which we're going to use to track the state of charge and other telematics from the buses. So they've been really good in helping us drive this through to implementation. The best thing about Webfleet is the system's reliability. We can be a pretty demanding customer. We want the front end to be really shiny, we want the system to be reliable, but we also want custom stuff done for us. We want access to the data in the back end. We want to do different things and really extract as much value as we can out of the system. And Webfleet have been great. Working with Webfleet is certainly a value add for us, and we value this long-term relationship we have with them.